Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious grilled cheese sauce. We will start by gathering our core ingredients. You will need 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1.5 cups of whole milk, and about 8 ounces of your favorite melting cheese. Good options include sharp cheddar, Gruyere, or Monterey Jack for that perfect gooey texture. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Next, we will create the foundation for our sauce, a simple roux. Melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a medium saucepan over medium heat. Once melted, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, cooking for about 60 seconds until it forms a pale, golden paste. This is your roux. Then, slowly pour in 1.5 cups of whole milk, whisking continuously to prevent lumps. Continue cooking and stirring until the mixture thickens, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Now for the best part, adding the cheese. Remove the saucepan from the heat to prevent the cheese from seizing. Gradually add about 8 ounces of your shredded cheese, a handful at a time, stirring constantly until each addition is fully melted and incorporated. This ensures a super smooth and creamy sauce. Finish by seasoning with a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of black pepper, and a dash of dry mustard powder for an extra layer of flavor. Taste and adjust as needed. To make your cheese sauce truly shine, consider these tips. If your sauce is too thick, simply whisk in an extra tablespoon or 2 of warm milk until it reaches your desired consistency. For a richer flavor, try incorporating a blend of 2 or 3 different cheeses, like a sharp cheddar with some smoked Gouda. This sauce is incredibly versatile. It is not just for grilled cheese. Enjoy it over steamed vegetables, as a base for macaroni and cheese, or even as a delicious dip for soft pretzels. Get creative and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.